Don't break the gate.
God damn.
Don't break the latch. Be careful. You're gonna break the latch. Be careful.
This is ridiculous.
See if the latch works now.
Doesn't. Oh, it does.
Okay, good. Now be careful. It's all icy here. Oh! Don't fall. Now you got to try and get this screen open. You might have to hit it with.
I don't see any ice on it.
Okay, the screen. Look, yeah, but look where the screen is.
Yeah, there's no ice.
On the bottom there
there
is. Yeah. No, Kyle, no, it's over this. It's over here.
I can't see it. There is none.
There's ice there. There's definitely ice. It's got to be ice. Otherwise, why won't it open?
I don't know.
Well, don't do that to the screen.
There's no ice.
Well, then why won't it open? There must be ice somewhere.
Stuck it. Yeah, you know where it is?
Where?
It's stuck in here.
Well, get the wrench in there.
Oh my God. You filming?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I can't do it.
You gotta. We gotta get this open. It won't open. Do you see ice anywhere else?
You gave me this thing? Why'd you give me this fucking thing?
Because I didn't know what else to give you. Kyle, listen to me. There's gotta be ice. Look at me. Look. There's
doorbell?
Don't use the wrench by the doorbell. Just look at the doorbell and see if there's anything there. Is there ice there?
On top of it.
Yeah, that's the problem. Get the ice off the top of it.
Right here?
Is it on the door? If you could just figure out a way to open this stupid screen. Listen to me. It's got to be. The problem has to be. Maybe it's on the top. Maybe the problem is the top. Maybe there's something on the top.
I don't know.
No, over here, like where it slides into.
Yeah, inside there is.
Well, get the ice out of there.
I don't know.
I don't see any ice in there.
Exactly.
Do you see where the track is?
I'm going to break this.
Don't break anything.
Right now. Something's wrong with this.
Well, okay, look, watch.
It's broken.
No, it's not broken. I'm going to move it. Now, you see the top part is moving. So the bottom, you see, look at, see?
I can't get to the bottom.
Why?
I just can't. It won't go.
Maybe you got to pour hot water on it.
I have to go back out. Around.
Be careful.
Are you able to reach stuff?
Yeah, keep the gate open for now. Don't keep closing it or you'll freeze again. Open the latch.
I did open the latch.
Push it. Okay, just be careful. I got to get hot water.
All right.
You closed the gate? Are you kidding?
I don't know what's wrong with me.
The other side. No, the other way. Okay, now, where the track is, you see where the track is? You got to pour the hot water on the track area.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Is anything melting? Oh, we did it.
You did it.
We did it. You got it. See? Now we got to leave it like this.
All right, but now
Let me come out. I'm scared.
Can I pour it on here?
You know what it is?
What?
Something is dripping onto the door. Yeah, pour that right onto the top there. Pour that. Just pour it. Okay, now let's wipe it away. See, it's all ice here. That's what the problem is. Don't use this though. No, don't use it. Okay, wait. See, this is still icy. I got it. I got it off with my nail.
Break a nail.
Oh, what else is new? Okay, now let's just see. See, that's the sound. Yeah, that's the. Wait, let me. Ooh, I'm sliding. Let me go in the house. Listen to me. Let me go in the house. Listen to me. Hit the doorbell. Now press that once. Press the doorbell once. Press it.
I did.
Okay, yeah, that's what we're hearing. That's what we're hearing. Okay.
It's gonna what?
It's gonna ring. It's gonna do it again.
What the? Hey, Arlo.
This is unreal. No one would believe this. Why would it be doing this? It's frozen. I give up. You know what it is? The doorbell itself froze.
It did?
Yeah.
Maybe it's the inside that's frozen.
No, it's the button, not frozen. I can't do this all night. I'm gonna go out of my mind. Don't film me anymore. I don't want to be